This is our terrace view at Bombay Central. काफ़ी हल्की हल्की बारिश हो रही है. As you can see, whenever we want to feel fresh, we came here always on top of the terrace. And this is my nephew who is also enjoying rains. It's always refreshing to come here. See how he is enjoying. This is Nathani Heights, and this twin tower Mumbaikars knows. It's very calm and peaceful here. In our terrace, nobody comes here actually. So we often come here to enjoy and relax. I will show you road, how it looks. Here it's Mumbai Central Station, and this is how main road is. Huzefa! Huzefa! Huh? Look how he's running. Huzefa! Ali! Ali, mera shunu! Huzefa! Huh?